Три полоски, три полоски, три полоски, три полоски.
Back it up. One at a time. Shut up. Hold on. Which one is it? Come on, Dad.
Soccer. I love soccer. Football. I love foot soccer. I love soccer ball. Well, is Morocco in the Euros? No.
Like you like.
Oh, I opened it.
No!
You actually hit him, bro. Huh? Yeah. Let me show you. Wait, she hit you, man? She did. She hit him, bro. That's what you getting.
Yo, Ray, tell them what you just saw, Ray.
I saw you.
You saw what?
I saw you.
Fuck you mean you just saw me?
I just saw you. Right there. Look, right there.
Where?
You see?
Oh, it was right there.
Feed it.
That feed?
Yeah.
Feed him, Ray. Feed the rat.
Yeah.
Oh, good aim.
Watch. You're gonna eat it. But they friendly. They nice. They family.
Family? So you family.
Look.
Don't be loud though. Look.
He said you look like rice gum. Hey, that's racist, bro.
Get out of here.
Bro, who just said that? Bro, what do you mean you look like rice gum, gang? You gonna keep walking like that's not racist? But that's fucking racist. Fuck you mean you look like rice gum? What the fuck? You look like fucking Adam Sandler. Peter Parker. What the fuck?
His parents took away his PS5 as a consequence, and after 3 weeks, the boy finally decided that he had had enough and tried to take the PS5 back. He failed, so he instead grabbed his parents' shotgun.
Well, that was interesting. Thank you so much for enlightening me about that. However, that also never happened. I like it just like that. Okay, do it again. Okay, do it again. Okay, do it again.
Chamber
Okay, do it
sucks,
again.
dude.
What is this? There's no mistake, is there? Death has left its mark once again.
Oh my god, I actually got scared. Holy shit.
Holy shit! Dude, hey, this is my stamina. This is Margaret. Put these fools to rest. He doesn't stop. That motherfucker doesn't sleep, man. Oh my god. My hand hurts. Elden Ring is hard.
Can you read it? It's like M-I-K-A or M-I-N-G-A. That.
How does he do that? Is he fucking Larry Bird? God damn it! Fuck!
Entering under reg. Oh my god. Yeah, damn, this place. What the fuck? Ah! What day? Oh my god, shut up.
It's like us at night. Bouncing up and down.
He's more nervous than you.
We're good, yeah.
God fucking damn!
Hey, you mind if I get a picture with you, bro?
What the fuck?
How you doing? Oh no, they're gonna screenshot it. Oh hell no. Oh hell no.
There was only 6 foot.
Oh my.
There was only 6 foot.
I look like such a pussy now. Hell yeah. Hey, thank you, bro. How tall are you? Like 6'9". 6'9"? Oh, good one. Appreciate you. Oh, that's a big dog. Hey, Cupcake.
Go pet the dog.
I don't want to get close to that
Go
thing.
pet the dog. He looks
Excuse
cute.
me. Can I pet your dog? Are you sure? Are you sure? He's nice as hell. Hey, Cupcake. Oh, slow down, Cupcake.
How you doing?
Cute ass dog.
Calm down, you're doing good. Calm down, you're doing good. Here we go now. Zweihänder. Was? My settings? Nein. Hey! I changed. I lost my sword. That does not count, bro.
Move 7.
Bro, what just happened? My sword just vanished from my control setting.
How did this song come on? How did this song come on? Hold on.
Happy is what you make me. Happy like a panda eating leaves. Happy as can be. Sad, I'm happy when you're with.
Let's go back. I thought that was it.
What's wrong with you?
Joke? I'm joking. Obviously, Zozo, I respect you. I'm a piece of shit streamer. I'm a piece of shit human.
Keep going.
I'm a loser. I'm fat.
Keep
I'm ugly. I'm short. I'm disgusting.
No more. Keep going.
Jinxie was right. Bradley was right. Ninja was right.
Yep. Keep going.
I'm bitch made. What's wrong with you? Why do you want me to?
Сука, блядь.